4:25 a.m. and walked for about 10 minutes going to our hotel. We also got a chance to have an early check-in for $140,000. Then, at 7 a.m., we went outside and had our breakfast at the Hidden Gem and got ourselves coffee and banh mi. Hidden Gem is one of the famous cafes in Hanoi where culture, art, authentic and eco-friendly ambience can be experienced. We stayed in Hanoi's Central Memory Hotel and Spa. I booked this from Agoda for 3,300 pesos for two for 3 days and 2 nights. I booked the deluxe king room with balcony, thinking that the room would give us a city view, but unfortunately, it was all group since the hotel is surrounded with other establishments. Their room has complimentary drinks, bidet, a corroded handle which is a hazard, and complete toiletries. We spent 2 full days in Hanoi, 1 day for the city tour and the other day as free day or pasalubong day. And since we slept in the bus on our way to Hanoi, we partially recharged ourselves to start this day. I booked a Grab and went to our first stop of the day, the Tranquoc Pagoda. This pagoda is the oldest one in Hanoi and is located on a small island off Hanoi's West Lake. And after this was the start of our walking tour. From Tranquoc Pagoda, we walked by the lakeside going to Presidential Palace. After several minutes, we reached the yellow building which was the Presidential Palace. But we weren't able to stop by because there was nothing much to see. Taking photos is also prohibited and the fence was blocked. Beside it is the resting place of Vietnamese revolutionary leader and President Ho Chi Minh, the Ho Chi Minh's Mausoleum. It is located in the middle of Baden Square and all visitors going inside the vicinity should undergo security checks. In addition to that, modest clothing is required, with no shorts, sleeveless shirts, or flip-flops allowed. The mausoleum is a place of great reverence for Vietnamese people and visitors are expected to behave respectfully. One pillar pagoda is also located inside the Baden Square, so check that out as well before exiting. From Baden Square, we walk the Temple of Literature. Temple of Literature is known as the first national university in Vietnam. Aside from its popular cultural and historical relic, it became also a place where students visit to pray for luck in their exams. Just across the exit of the temple, we dined in one of the local restaurants and ordered pho. On the same street is where Cafe Aguri is located. Their iced coffee is one of my favorites here in Hanoi, and no wonder they have good reviews. After an hour of chilling and resting, we walk again to visit Wallow Prison. Yellow Prison is one of the largest and most solid prisons built by the French in Indochina. It is also considered as one of the most brutal prisons with extremely cruel punishment. I wasn't able to film inside not because it wasn't allowed, but just to enhance my perspective, understanding, and appreciation for the revolutionary fighter spirit. And also to leave curiosity for my viewers on how it looks inside because I got goosebumps. And walk again to St. Joseph's Cathedral, the oldest church in Hanoi. And if you think that ends our walking tour, no, 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 because we headed straight to One Game Lake and visited Uniqlo. There's not that much price difference compared to Uniqlo here in the Philippines, but they have some cute shirts that you can purchase as a souvenir. Afterwards, we continued our walk to Dinla Street, which is the main street with bookstores near One Game Lake. My sister wanted to buy a book as her souvenir but didn't buy any because majority sell brand new. She was expecting for second-hand ones or a thrift store for books. And that concludes our walking tour. We walked again to our hotel to rest for a few hours and went outside again to eat. We bought street foods and decided to eat it by the lake. And guys, let me show you how challenging it was to cross the streets of Vietnam. The technique is just cross the street with no hesitation because the vehicles won't give way for you. They will just avoid you, so don't confuse them. And yes, we were at the pedestrian. One thing that I really appreciate in Vietnam is that the country and their culture supports pro-healthy ways. They have a lot of parks where their people can have a place of activities, plus their food stays healthy. Chilling at the lakeside is the best thing to end this tiring day. Watching the people pass by, eating while admiring the night view. While walking back to our hotel, we passed by the Shark Jaw building, which was one of the tourist attractions here in Hanoi. We were lucky to see this before it got demolished last May. We also paid a visit to Hanoi's night market, which is the street near the Shark Jaw building. They offer a lot of items starting from 80,000 dong and above. The next day, first thing we did was eat at Banh Mi 25 and ordered banh mi. So far, just my personal opinion, the banh mi from their store was the best banh mi I had in our entire visit. We also withdrew cash from TP Bank using our GoTime card. There is no transaction fee and the withdrawal limit is 5 million dong. In withdrawing money, don't forget to translate the language first into English. Insert your card, click your PIN, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, and that's it. You may also print your receipt. And of course, breakfast is not enough without a cup of coffee. And for that, we visited Cafe Jiang and tried their famous egg coffee. As they are known for their egg coffee, this is actually better than the ones I had in Sapa. And after eating, let us now go shopping. First stop was Miss Ha's souvenir shop. This shop is famous to travelers because not only she sells a lot of souvenir items, she also gives discount and freebies to her buyers. Her store is located in Old Quarter and is walking distance from our hotel. We went back to our hotel to drop the things we bought and proceeded to our second stop, the Lotte Mall. If you'd like to buy branded items, you can visit this mall which houses several branded stores. We checked out Coach, bought perfume from Victoria's Secret, and a souvenir bag for myself from Charles and Keith. After Lotte Mall, we took a grab to Tasco Mall, where we bought our pasalubongs. But we had our lunch first at Loteria. Many suggested to buy pasalubong from grocery stores because it is much cheaper compared to Old Quarter and there are a variety of items to choose from. My personal favorites are the Beetroot Biscuit, Nescafe Cafe Swada, Legend Coffee, and Cheese Seven, and none of this ever irritated my stomach. After grocery shopping, we went back to our hotel and rest a little bit. Then, we walked to Paris Deli Cafe to catch the free bus going to Mega World. If I remembered it correctly, we got off at second to the last station or the last station of the bus. Either of these. Just use your Google Maps to avoid getting lost. There are a lot of picturesque background here in Mega World and the place is also not crowded and quiet compared to Old Quarter. Going back to Old Quarter was quite a challenge for us that even Google Maps was not that much of help. Just download Vinbus app and use that for navigation if you'll visit Mega World. For the last agenda of the day, of course, the visit would not be complete without drinking coffee at Hanoi's train street. We entered through the south entrance to a more peaceful experience. We dined at the first coffee shop we saw and in fairness, their egg coffee is really good. The train schedule also varies per day, so much better to check that out for you not to miss the experience. And we were also blessed to catch the 8:30 p.m. schedule and the 9:10 p.m. And the next morning, we took a grab going to airport, brought not only souvenirs and pasalubong items, but also the experience we had in this country. If given a chance to visit this country again, I would still probably do the same. Stay in Sapa more than in Hanoi. And that concludes our stay in Vietnam. See you on my next one!